Hi there, Internet. I'm Polar the Polar Bear, and welcome to my 50 subs special. I'm finally filming it. It is, and I got this from Melissa, all clammed up. And it's she's sitting right over here. Yep, she's gonna help me with, she's gonna be running a stopwatch and helping me dispose of empty clam juice containers. And hold the vomit bag if necessary, which it might be. Hopefully not, but you never know. It is clam juice. We are using Bumblebee clam juice, which, if I'm not mistaken, was the original clam juice I tried on the barely edible episode. Um, and I went through a lot of possible mutations of this 50 sub special. At one point I thought maybe I'll do I'll drink a clam juice and do like a shot of tequila, or uh, I'll try and drink all the clam juice wearing my Christmas outfit with the Santa thing. But in the end, I just decided to go pure with it and just do 5 clam juice and let me see if I can get them all in frame here. 5 clam juice in 6 minutes. So slightly more than 1 minute per clam juice. And if I fail the time limit, I'm still gonna drink the rest of the clam juice. But I figured it'd be fun just to do kind of a challenge thing with it. Since this is a sub special, before I get to it, I would like to give shout outs to especially the people who've kind of hung with me in the interim when I haven't been able to post as much because I've been working. In particular, Ronald Yoder Senior Entertainment, and he told me I was pronouncing this the right way, so it's Josh Langlois, and if and anybody, like, if I missed your name and you've stuck with me, it's still a shout out to you. I don't know you by name. Those two guys post really frequently on my stuff, and we kind of talk a little bit in the comments and whatnot. But so yeah, without any further ado, I think I'm gonna get started here. The time limit will begin as soon as I open the first clam juice. Melissa will start the stopwatch, and the goal is for me to drink all 5 bottles of clam juice by the end of 6 minutes. And these have not been refrigerated, by the way, so they're nice and warm. I did shake them because, you always have to follow product directions, and it does say shake well before using. Stay in school. All right, so you ready over there with the stopwatch? Oh, I don't want to do this. Yeah, that'd be real good. Yeah, count me down. And then I'll just hit the start when I say go. Yep. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Yep. Disgusting. Empty. You're making really good time. Ugh. Oh. Oh, God, I can kiss you all day. Disgusting, empty. You're not even a minute yet. You're doing really good. Oh. Mm. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's gonna be so bad. You're doing really good. Disgusting. Empty. It's 3 out of 5. We're making good. You're making really good time. Good time. You're really good. You got your bag? No, I'm alright.
Okay.
Just coughing fit.
Okay. I got it right.
Oh. Oh, I'm trying to clear the taste from my mouth. Oh, man. Whoa, excuse me.
Belch warning.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Oh, man. Okay.
You're almost done.
Oh, it's not good. Oh, almost. Almost forfeited a little bit of that there, but I'm okay. I'm almost done with this one. Oh man, that last one's gonna be a journey. Oh. Okay, that's 4 out of 5, and we're at about 3 minutes. So I got plenty of time to do this last one, but I'm gonna just try and polish it off so I don't have to think about it. Give it another good shake and pop it open. Oh, good, the lid came off real easy. It was probably already open.
Oh, great.
That's real good. Oh. Oh.
You're getting there. You're almost done. Oh, bag.
Oh.
Bag.
Oh, God.
Bag.
Uh.
Bag. Don't think about it. Think about something else. Think about something else.
Oh, man.
Kittens. Think about kittens. Kittens.
Oh, sweet God.
I hate puking so much.
Oh, that's real good. No. Oh. All right. Oh. Oh no. I think we're done puking for now. Oh. Oh God. All right. So I have a little bit more left to go to try and finish this one. In any good eating challenge, I think I'm disqualified when I throw up, but I'm gonna finish it just to showboat for the audience. Oh. Mm. Mm. Oh. Oh, God in heaven. Oh.
I know you smell clam juice, don't you, little kitty?
Oh, Letty, that clam juice is not for you. You don't want that. It's been in the vomit bag. Oh. Okay, I'm good. Yeah, I don't need the bag anymore. Hang on, let's show that to the audience. That is clam juice vomit. Actually, I think that's just pure clam juice. I don't think any of that actually made it anywhere. Oh, you gotta hold it or else it might tip over and leak out. Okay, so just hold it for a minute. Just hold it for a minute, maybe caress it, whatever you feel like doing. So.
The bag is wet. My hands are touching about it.
So Melissa is grossed out, and I thought I was gonna be able to do that without puking, but that last one, it tasted different. Like there was a different taste to it. I think it might have been opened and got a little bad, so I might be vomiting more throughout the course of the day after drinking it. I don't know, but it's just clam juice. It's not gonna kill me. Oh God, that's disgusting. I'm
Oh God.
Okay, Melissa's gonna go get me a napkin. Oh. So, that was the cat jumping on the. We have this thing propped up on a couch cushion for height, and that was the cat jumping on the back of the couch cushion and off the back of the couch cushion. Oh. So yeah, it might be a good thing that I puked most of that last glass up because it might be bad. I might have food poisoning now. But I did that one was for that was a 50 sub special, so that one was for you guys. If I throw up like a maniac for the rest of the day, it's worth it. Oh, thank you so much. Excuse me, just a moment, fans. Oh God. Oh, there we go. All right, I'm not disgusting anymore. No, I'm good. Hold that.
No!
I was just kidding. So, but despite puking, clam juice finished in what 4 minutes and 56 seconds. It looks like.
Yeah.
So I mean, I puked, so I'm disqualified. But had I not puked, I would have won. But regardless, I did consume, with the exception of a dribble or two that got in my beard, I did consume the five bottles of clam juice. So
In under 6 minutes and with vomiting break.
yeah, that's true. In under 6 minutes and with vomiting break. So I'm gonna just real quick here because I need something else in my mouth. I can't open this because I don't have any fingernails, but I can open cans with my face. Oh, absolutely. There you are, sweetheart. We're having a full throttle citrus, which is one of my personal favorite energy drinks. And that's wrong hand. That's Lenny. I always forget that the perspective shifts on the laptop because it's facing the other way. Hey, buddy, how you doing? He smells the clam juice. Oh, not he doesn't know. He doesn't want that clam juice. I think that'll really do us though for the 50 sub special. But let's see. Do I have announcements? I'm gonna be doing something with my beard, and I don't know what yet. Melissa's gonna help me with that. So the next time you see me after the backlog is posted, I will probably have a different beard configuration. Gonna try a couple of things out. See what I look good with. And I will probably have shorter hair because I haven't had a haircut in like a month. But so there's that, and I'm gonna finish the Cat Lady Let's Play still. I know I've been trying to get that Let's Play done for months, and it just doesn't want me to do it for some reason. But I will. I have my new hard drive set up, and as soon as I go home, I will start filming the rest of that Let's Play. But I have a few episodes so that I can start posting stuff already. And I'll probably this will be posted on Monday morning, Monday afternoon, Tuesday at the very latest. But I'm gonna try and get it out Monday, and that way I can post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at minimum. Oh, that clam juice. Ooh. So I think hi Lenny. Lenny's like, what? I think that will do us for this 50 subs special Clammed Up. But I looked over at Melissa because she came up with that name and she just looked at me like, oh, it's okay. It's over. Clam hands. There's no such thing as clam hands. Oh, and before I go, I have one more shout out to do, which is I want to give a shout out to Kristen and Brandon, with whom we got drunk and played Cards Against Humanity last night. That was a lot of fun. And Kristen also donated an item to the show, which was it's a hot sauce. It's a little bottle of like extreme heat hot sauce that we'll be trying before I go. So we'll probably do we have any of those Juanitas chips left?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll put a little bit on a Juanitas chip and try it with the chip,
Perfect. Rather
than just going spoon deep because I don't think either of us want to go spoon deep on hot sauce, at least right now. So yeah, so that's gonna do me. This will be about 15 minute long video, but the sub specials will go on. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the 100 sub special yet. I honestly I don't even have like an idea. But yeah, Melissa's always good about helping me think of stuff, and I usually brainstorm some pretty good stuff if I just think about it long enough. So, and if you guys have any, ooh, clam juice. If you guys have any suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. As always, I will read them. Oh, ooh, oh, a little bit of that clam juice came on back up. Yep. Wow. I will read them. And yeah, thank you guys for sticking in with me if you're watching this, and thanks for watching another episode of this was just a special, but it's technically a Microbear Gourmet episode, I think, just with no microwavable food. Yeah, it's kind of a Bearsalanius. I think I called the first one a Bearsalanius, but regardless of what it is, thank you so much for joining me on my 50 sub special Clammed Up. I hope to see you guys all again very, very soon. She said bye. I don't know if you could hear it, but bye, everybody.